Hello and welcome. Myself Nadeem Abbas, your host today. Could you please tell us about your experience and your journey in BIM?
I think the journey in BIM started back in university. I started in 2012.
How, as a student or as a draftsman or someone who is not in the field of BIM, can start his or her career in BIM?
Well, I think it's a tricky question because I can only speak from my experience.
Yeah. Can you identify a sort of software set?
Software, well,
Yeah.
you need to look at the statistics.
Do you think that BIM will be mandatory in future?
It happens in UK, happens in Spain, it happens in many other countries.
A lot of the BIM podcast will be released on weekly basis. This podcast is from the community to the community. Thank you very much.